This tutorial will guide you through the process of using the Talent Finder. From the home page of your agent or manager account, locate the left navigation bar and press the Talent Finder button. This will direct you to the Talent Finder page. On this page, you can begin your search by using the basic search features, or you can refine your search by using the Advanced Search button to search for talent via biometric, skills, or headshot data. After you input the search criteria and press the Search button, you'll be presented with a Talent Finder search results page. This page functions as a method to locate and contact talent, view their profiles, or save their profiles to a custom folder for later use within the Talent Finder. Talent marked with a red R are talent that are currently represented. Talent without representation listed will have a gray R indicator. You can click on the R button next to the talent headshot to see what types of representation that they currently have listed. The top of the page will present you with the total talent found per search result. The Sort drop-down menu will allow you to sort the results by first or last name. The New Search button will perform a new search, clearing any previous search filters. The Actions button works in conjunction with the checkboxes that are present next to each talent profile. When one or more talent profiles are selected via the checkbox, you will have the option to email all talent, move all talent to a folder created in the Talent Finder, or you can toggle to select all talent or deselect all talent on the page. The Per Page dropdown allows you to adjust the number of talent that are displayed on a page at once. To the left side of the page is the Folder List column. Within this column, you can access any custom folders that you have previously created. You can create new folders by pressing the New Folder button. This will open a pop-up window that will allow you to create a new custom name folder that you can save talent to. Enter a name that you would like to give to the folder, and then press the Create button. Once you press the Create button, you will see the new folder listed in the Folder List column. You can now add talent from Talent Finder search results to this folder. From the Talent Finder, perform a search using any options that you require. From the search results, locate one or more talent and check the checkboxes right next to their headshot. Next, go to the Actions button and click it. From the menu options, select the option that says Move Selected Talent to Folder. You will be presented with the Move Talent to Folder window. From here, select any Talent Finder folder that you have created previously, or create a new one using the New Folder button. We need to move these talent to an existing folder, so we're going to select the custom folder that we created previously and press the Submit button. Once the talent have been submitted, you'll see the number on the folder. If you ever need to remove talent from the Talent Finder, enter the folder that you have added them to. Click on the individual checkbox next to their headshot. Click the Actions button and select the Remove Selected Talent from Folder option. This will remove any talent associated with this folder.